Hey everyone! If you're living in or visiting the UAE and you've tried to use Discord, you've probably noticed it just doesn't work the way it should. Voice chats don't connect, messages lag, or the app won't load at all. That's because Discord is blocked in the UAE, just like Skype, WhatsApp calls, Zoom, and most other VoIP services. But don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Discord in the UAE step by step, using a safe and working method that I've tested myself. You can click the link in the description to get NordVPN, the VPN I use and trust to bypass restrictions in countries like the UAE. The UAE restricts all kinds of VoIP services, including Discord, for one reason: to protect local telecom providers. Services like Etisalat and Do offer their own paid voice calling apps, and they block free apps to keep that business model going. That means no Discord voice chat, no WhatsApp or Skype calls, lag or full access blocks on apps like Zoom or Telegram. So if you're trying to use Discord normally in the UAE, you'll need a workaround. The best way to use Discord in the UAE is by using a VPN, a virtual private network. Here's what it does. It changes your IP address so it looks like you're in another country, like the US or UK. It encrypts your connection so your ISP and the government can't see what apps you're using. It bypasses local restrictions and lets you access blocked apps like Discord. But here's the catch. Most VPNs don't work well in the UAE. Free VPNs are super slow, get detected, or don't even connect. Some paid VPNs still don't offer the right server types for UAE. That's why I personally recommend NordVPN. It's one of the few VPNs that still works in the UAE, and it's fast, secure, and easy to use. Here's how to set it up in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Click the NordVPN link in the description to sign up. Step 2. Choose a subscription plan. It's not free, but NordVPN has a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it with zero risk. Step 3. Download and install NordVPN on your device. Step 4. Open the app and go to Settings, Auto Connect. Turn on obfuscated servers. Step 5. Connect to a server in a country where Discord works freely, like the US, UK, Germany, or Singapore. Step 6. Open Discord. That's it. You should now be able to chat, join servers, and use voice just like normal. Still having issues? Try this. Switch to a different VPN server. Some work better than others. Try a different VPN protocol, like OpenVPN TCP or NordLynx. Restart Discord or reinstall the app if needed. Make sure your connection is strong. Wi-Fi or mobile data both work. These quick fixes solve the problem 99% of the time. And that's it. Now you know how to use Discord in the UAE even though it's blocked by default. You just need a VPN like NordVPN with obfuscated servers and reliable speed. Use the link in the description to get a discount and unlock Discord safely. Still stuck? Leave a comment and I'll help you out personally. If this helped, give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more Discord tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.